tucked away. This particular shower has been in use for 3 years. And as you can see, the finish over here is still intact. The paint lines are still good. Everything is watertight. You know, there's some use here from the wheelchair. Obviously, this is very tight and narrow. Damage to the, you know, scuffing on the toilet and scuffing on the tub. But by and large, everything is still intact. And as you can see, it follows the nice contours. And then the nice part about, in this particular home, you have multiple people using this shower. And so when the person in need is not in use, and able-bodied individuals are here, everything is nice and tucked away. When it does need to be used, it's a simple fold down and a simple out like this. So someone can come in here like this and then have a seat. And then if the individual has, let's just say for example, their right arm is non-functional, a traditional grab bar here would be no good, but here we have this ability. If they want to move forward and adjust the temperature, it's a simple unlock, step. You still have something to hold on to, up, back here like this, and this is not going to go anywhere. But with a simple lift, and it drops into place, we have something like this. And so now, even more important, when they come to step out, they have something to hold on to. And then they can move this way. And as again, going back in, there's something to hold on to the whole time.